Today, Aki will be cutting a men's layered haircut using a combination of a serrated razor and scissors. Starting in the back, Aki chooses a length that sits in line with Otto's jaw. He's using a serrated razor to create softness on the outline. Working up the head, Aki continues to cut a length that stays consistent from the back to the front. He's using horizontal sections and making sure to comb the hair to its natural fall to create a soft external length. Aki uses the external lengths as a guide for his internal lengths. He points a length that increases from the bottom of the section to the top, so the hair sits flatter to the head. As Aki wants his horizontal lengths to increase gently, he directs each new section towards the previous. Through the front, Aki wants to maintain as much length as possible. To do this, he directs each new section backwards to the last section behind the ear. To remove the excess length from his internal shape, he uses diagonal sections closer towards the horizontal, combs the hair to its natural fall, and uses the previously cut external length as a guide. In the front, Aki cuts a shorter length with the razor so the hair will sit away from the face. Using horizontal sections, Aki removes weight from Otto's hair by using the tip of the razor in a gliding motion. For a natural finish, Aki diffuses the hair. And here's the finished look on Otto. We hope you enjoyed watching.
We're going to say like, subscribe,
Like,
share, comment and subscribe.
why don't you come in, show us how it's done, like both of you.
That's a really good
and then
idea.
we'll come back and then we'll replicate.
That is such a good idea.